hook up, or I can see now. You want the bird to fly through that small hook. You think he can do this? She's very confident. But let's find out, okay? Let's find out. Now, as you can see, macaws, they have streamlined bodies, and this helps them fly to the dense vegetation of the rainforest to escape from potential dangers and predators. So, everyone, shh. Yes! Well done. Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Vega, the scarlet macaw. And it's time for you to go back home. Thank you. Now, a parrot's beak can be powerful in breaking hard nut shell, but when required, they can be gentle too. Now, I have a coupon with me. Who wants this coupon? You are the first one to raise your hand. I tell you what, sir, can you go up to the aisle, please? Because you are quite close to us. Okay? Now, I need you to go up the aisles. Someone, sir? Okay, that's fine. Thank you very much. Okay. You want to go to Chanel? Okay, just in there. Now, I need you to raise your right hand, sir. Right hand. Good. Parallel to the ground. Palm facing upwards. Now, sir. Palm facing upwards like this. Good. Now, a bird will send this coupon to you. Okay, she will land on your hand, put this coupon on your palm, so later all you have to do, just close your fingers, grab hold of the coupon. Okay, sir? Yes, smile. You look tense. Okay, ready now? And here comes Sassy. Sassy, see the gentleman over there? Let's give him the coupon, Sassy. Don't move, sir. You're doing fine. Put it down. Put it down, Sassy. Yes, grab hold of the coupon, sir, and come back to me. Now, sir, look at that coupon. Is it still in one piece? Yeah, now with that coupon, you'll be able to exchange it for a free cold drink at the kiosk just beside the pool's amphitheater. Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, sir. One more volunteer. Okay, listen up. This time, no more free drink. This time, I need a volunteer who can show me money. $2 will do. Oh, you the first one? Okay, sir. Okay, how much do you have there, sir? $2. Can you stand up on your seat, please? Stand up on your seat. Very good. Fold the money into half. Yes, now hold the money on your right hand. Money pointing upwards. Yes, okay. Now, sir, no matter what happens, don't move. Okay? Ready now? Sassy, see that gentleman over there? He has money, Sassy. What must you do when you see money? Yes, take the money and you can come back to me. Don't move, sir, don't move. Now everyone watch this. Where does the money go? Sir, yeah, head down, keep on smiling and sit down. One more volunteer, one more. I got $2. How about $10 now? $10? No, we're just joking, okay? Sassy will return the money. But let's say if you want to help the animals in Singapore. Now, after the show, come down here. Contribute any amount into our conservation fund. And in return, Sassy's postcard is yours, okay? Yeah, Sassy is a very popular bird. Okay, come Sassy, come over here. Right. So whatever you see, are you done? Is the food okay? Now, she was his sir. Let me ask her. Is this you? Yes, she was sir, right? Okay. Now, in the meantime, that gentleman, I need you to stand up again, sir. Stand up again. Yeah. Stand up on your seat again. Open your palm. Raise your hand. Open your palm. Sassy is going to return your money. Okay? Ready now? Yes, and let's return the money, Sassy. Don't move, sir. Well done. Okay, put it down. Grab hold of your money, sir. And you can come back to me, Sassy. Well done. Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Our very sporting volunteer. And it's time for you to go back home. Thank you, Sassy.